To transfer money with Yono SBI, a platform developed by the State Bank of India, start by logging into your account through the mobile application. Yono, which stands for You Only Need One, allows users to access various financial services under one platform, accessible through both the mobile application and website. Once logged in, tap on the Fund Transfer option from the home screen. Select the beneficiary and enter the required details. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer and authenticate using your MPIN. Upon completion of the transaction, a confirmation message will be sent. Alternatively, you can use the Yono Lite SBI application. Navigate to Quick Transfer, enter the beneficiary's details, and submit after entering your PIN. Wait for the confirmation message to confirm the transaction is complete. This straightforward process enables users to easily transfer money through the Yono platform on SBI.